Did you know that you can sound absolutely phenomenal with just one rudiment? Yeah, it's true. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. So, first drum lesson in the new space. What do you think? The all black background? Yes, no? What do you think? Okay, now, don't get me wrong, I love to vary my drumming, and I have my own, set of favorite rudiments that I love to use, just like you probably have a set of your favorites. But in this day and age of flashy grooves, drum chops, and otherworldly drummers on social media, it's easy to think they have to be extremely technical and play everything super fast in order to be known as a good drummer. That's why, in this lesson, I'm gonna show you and prove to you that you can create some really tasty drum fills with just one rudiment. And that rudiment, my friends, is the single stroke roll. Anyone can play a single stroke roll fill, but it takes experience to make it sound tasty. Now, this drum lesson isn't necessarily a lesson for more advanced drummers, since the single stroke roll is the rudiment most of us learns first. But do not mistake this for being simple. But enough of that, let's get on with the lesson. Before we start, all my channel members out there could download everything from this lesson via the link in the community tab. So if you want some extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. Dynamics are so important for making drumming sound good. By adding accents and ghost notes, you'll change the entire feel of a drum fill. I'll show some examples going from pretty basic to more syncopated accents, starting on the snare drum and then orchestrating it around the drum set. Now, again, these are just examples. What you can do is to play around with placing the accents at different places. Don't you just love drum puns? Okay, let's add ruffs into the mixture. And yeah, I know, the ruff is a rudiment itself, but it's mostly used as a filler rudiment anyway. So, simply explained, a ruff is a double stroke or diddle grace note right before an accent. Okay, now we can play around with adding ruffs before some accents and see how it affects the pattern. Nice going, you guys. I've got one more example to show you, so make sure you're a subscriber before this video ends. Crescendo is a musical term, and like many other musical expressions, it's Italian. Crescendo, grazie mille. And crescendo basically means gradual increase in loudness, meaning you start soft and you end loudly. This is very effective for building excitement in a song, and if we look at the transcription, the crescendo is written out almost like a big less than sign, and you can think of it as like a volume symbol. The crescendo is written out for as long as you want the crescendo to be. So, for example, if the build is only supposed to be half a measure, then the crescendo starts on beat 3. If it's for an entire measure, it starts on beat 1. And as you might have noticed, for simplicity's sake, we're playing in 4/4. So first off, let's try a half measure crescendo and then move on to a whole measure crescendo. Alright my friends, these are just some of the ways you can utilize the single stroke roll. One single rudiment that you can use in so many different ways, and it can have a huge impact in a song. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Now, if you want to check out some iconic fills or grooves, you can check out these videos right here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.